Hi guys, what is the next question? Next question is list. What is list? List is a child interface of collection. I- If we want to represent group of individual object where duplicate object are allowed and insertion order is preserved, then we should go for list. Insertion order preserved means by index. Just example, there is a list. We have two duplicate element. How to identify? We identify by using the index. Here index play a very important role in list. Okay, list is an interface. Inside the list we have four class. What are these class? One is the array list. Another is the linked list. Another is the vector. Another is stack. Okay. If anyone ask any question like what is list? List is a child interface of collection, and if you want to represent group of individual object where duplicate object are allowed and insertion order is preserved, then you should use for the list. And here index is playing a very important role to maintain the insertion order. And another thing, there is a four classes are there. These are called ArrayList, linked list, mm, and another is vector, another is stack. What is ArrayList? ArrayList, ArrayList is class of a it is a class implemented class of the list interface. Underlying data structure of the ArrayList is resizable array or growable array. Insertion order is preserved and duplicate object are allowed, and homogeneous object are allowed. Heterogeneous object are allowed, and null insertion also possible. What is ArrayList? How to create an object of ArrayList? Equal to new ArrayList. Okay, that is the object. If you want to add something, ArrayList dot add anything, like going to add Java one string object dot add C++ C, like this. Okay, and another thing, first thing, that is the constructor of a array list. L is the object of array list. Add is a method. You can using that you can add any element to the array list. Okay, then next thing is creating an empty array list object. If you create an empty array list, what is the default capacity? Default capacity is 10. What is the default capacity? 10. Once it reaches the maximum capacity, then new array list will create with which capacity? Just we discussed in the previous video. Collection is growable in nature. Once it is reach the maximum capacity, then internally it will create another collection. Just example, capacity is 10. If you want to insert 11th element in array list, then it will reach the maximum capacity. Then array list will create with new capacity. What is the new capacity? New capacity equal to current capacity. Capacity to 3 by 2 plus 1. Then 10 into 3 by 2 plus 1. How much? Then it is 16. Okay, that is the capacity. Today we discuss what is the capacity of empty array list. If it is the maximum capacity, then what is the new capacity for the array list, and how to create a array list object. What is the constructor? Another constructor is also there. You can create another constructor like that. Array list, you can by using another constructor like collection of any. You can pass any collection object, then you can call a constructor, then you can create another array list L1. Okay. Okay, today enough. Then we'll go for the next question.